The line which is present in between your headline and heartline are strongly indicates income from foreign or settlement in foreign countries. Also, it will fulfill your dream and desire that you have in your mind. If you have this line in your palm, then of course you can earn money from abroad or get a permanent settlement in abroad. Also, a line coming from the faith line can take you above all. Hi friends, this is Deepan and welcome back to my channel again. I hope you are doing well. Today I bring a great palm for analysis. But before jump into the analysis, make sure to click the like button immediately for enjoying another wonderful session with me and hit the subscribe button to be a part of my YouTube family. This will be my greatest reward from you. So please show your love to me and immediately hit the subscribe button. This is a palm of one of my subscriber, which is a very wonderful and special palm. It has some lines which you should know about. But first take an overview of his birth chart. This is his birth chart based on his given birth details, and I can see his Rasi is Gemini, Lagna is Leo, and all planets are placed in good position. Also Venus is in his own house. Mostly Gemini Rasi people are sensitive, loving, curious and flexible nature. They can learn anything very quickly and they like to exchange ideas. But these people are quite nervous and irregular about everything. They don't give their 100% focus on what they are doing. So they need to give more concentration and focus on their work for getting better result. These people like to listen to music, read books, mainly they are very good readers. Now come to his palm lines. Today I will discuss with you a special symbol from which you can easily make a clear idea about the nature and mentality of a person. Just look at the index finger. If anyone has his index finger longer than his ring finger, then it is a very beneficial sign and very rare sign also. In this palm, you can see the index finger is longer than the ring finger. If you have this type of longer index finger, then it makes your mind sharp, intelligence, a nice person as a human and a charitable character. If you have this type of index finger, then you will have a lot of confidence within you. You will achieve success in life with the help of your confidence and strong decision making quality. Also, it indicates that you will have a tall figure, a sharp nose, a wide forehead and fine expressive eyes. You are very conscious of your body and physique. You can easily express your thoughts through your gesture and you are very good at doing drama. Drama comes naturally from your inside. You can easily cover up any incident by your strong expression. You have a strong physical structure. You pay special attention to your appearance and characteristics. Usually, you choose clothing and hairstyle that are youthful and you always trying to look young. Some greatest personalities, those who have this type of index finger are Johnny Depp, George W. Bush, Donald Trump, and we all know how they have achieved their success. For example, Johnny Depp is a great actor and you may be wondered that now he is 57 years old. As well as Donald Trump is 74 years old. He has a great attitude, appearance, has a good dressing sense and still looking so young. Long index finger people are always staying happy from their inside. Now talk about the sign present in the sun mount. In this palm you can see a diamond shape in the sun mount and a funnel shape is present above on it. These two signs is more beneficial than a single line on the sun mount. It represents that the sun is looking at you with a good aspect and giving you a beneficial result. It represents that you listen to everyone's words, opinion and suggestions but takes only the right thing out of the whole thing. And here this funnel shape works like a filter that separate the right thing from the whole inputs for making the diamond inside you. That means what you intake in your mind from the outer world will always going through the filtration process. This quality makes you a shining star. And here this diamond sign represents you are caring and careful about everything. Responsible, grounded, hardworking person. You pay attention to every little detail and make sure all things are in the right place. It makes you a great friend and romantic partner. You can read people's mind and understand their wants and desire. You always observe your surroundings, do the necessary research and analyze all the facts before making the final decision. You are intellectual and learn. This sign gives you strong communication ability and calculative mind. You can do very well in debates. You have a great skill in mathematics, so any fields involving calculation would also give benefit to you a lot. And my one request to you is that if you are enjoying this video, please click the like button immediately. It will inspire me a lot. Venus mount gives very good result if you have this line in your Venus mount. This line indicates that you prefer someone who is a good conversationalist rather than a person who always looks good. You don't like to stay in one place for too long, so that's why there is a chance to change your residential home very frequently. You love to communicate with everyone and do well in the professional field, because you are very good at expressing yourself and you can describe very well about a situation, images or about people by using impressive words. You express yourself through your intellectuality. You usually fall in love with your neighbors or people in your close circumstances. You enjoy going to different places for your romantic pursuits. You know very well that how to talk with people around you, and the diplomatic skill that you have are not found in anyone else. It is easy for you to win people with your talk because you have a great voice and talent to impress. Now I will tell you a line that strongly indicates income from foreign or settlement in foreign. Also it fulfills your dream and desire. If you have this line in your palm, then of course you can earn money from abroad and get settled in abroad. The line is present in between headline and heartline. If this type of two lines present in your palm, then it creates a connection or bridge between your heartline and mind line. Your heartline is the main source of your desire and thoughts, and your mind is the only way who can fulfill your dreams and desire. Whenever this line is created in your palm, then your mind will start working on your thoughts and try to fulfill your dreams due to good collaboration with your heart line. These lines also create a spiritual connection with the God. You will have too much faith in God. You will be open-minded and have a strong sense of justice and able to distinguish between right and wrong very easily. You live your life with strong moral principles and you get attracted to people who share similar idealistic view about life as you do. You also have associations or assignment in foreign places. Can you see this line which is connected between faith line and Mercury mount? If you have this line in your palm, then you will have good behavior towards the other people. You possess good skill that can attract people because of your charm personality. You are born leader and possess good leadership qualities. Most influential leaders or politicians have this line on their palm. It can give you sudden success and no one can previously predict a particular date for this, but surely you will get success. For example, Sri Amit Shah, who is called Chanakya for his contribution towards Indian politics, has this sign on his palm. You can see this. And we all know about his leadership quality, speaking ability to attract people. And Elon Musk also has this sign on his palm. Now I will tell you about a line which is very rare and fruitful, and which can be noticed in the palm of some greatest people. If you have this sign in your palm, then it makes you very helpful towards other. You will have a good connection with the people who thinks like you. It represents that your dreams and goals are big because you have high hopes for your future. This sign is very favorable from the viewpoint of amazing great wealth. It would bring positive impacts and would bless the person with a blissful and happy life. This sign also seen in the palm of Sri Akhilesh Yadav and Sri Rahul Gandhi. Both are successful in their field. It creates good mental stability. So if you have this sign in your palm, then you may be jolly, intelligent, sharp-minded and brave. You will have a charming physical attraction and you will be wealthy and rich. You may earn in all ways and got huge profit. You may also get profit from the business. Also, you may get the help of women in your earnings and getting profit. You have many female friends who are ready to serve you. Since Sri Rahul Gandhi has the same palm line on his palm, and this thing can be noticed clearly in his life. In his career, he gets the best support from his mother, Srimati Sonia Gandhi, and sister Miss Priyanka Gandhi. They play a major role in his life. This sign also indicates that you have a connection with higher authority and have a long life. You have a charming personality, have a unique attraction and get name, fame and yash. Last but not least, if you want your 100% accurate digital birth chart including Mahadasha chart for knowing about your Rasi, Lagna, Gan, Lagna chart and planetary conjunction, then please go to my website cnex.in. And if you want your palm analysis video like this, then you can WhatsApp me at +91 7501 288 040 or email me at dipayyan0692@outlook.com. So friend, this was my analysis about this palm. If you have any suggestions or compliment, then please write in the comment section below and don't forget to give a like to this video. If you think this video can help anyone, then must share with your friends and family. Thank you, take care and bye bye.